Respeto. Respeto ang kailangan matutunan ng ibang lahi who comes into the Philippines and whoever wants to be friends with Filipinos. Kasi we are not Westerns. We are Asians. And Asians have more respect, or we value more of our traditions and culture, especially sa ating relationships with our family and with our friends. Unlike the Western, they are open-minded, more aggressive, more opinionated, but we are now too these days. However, hindi pa rin mawawala yung pagka-loving natin sa ating pamilya and the way we communicate. We don't berate our family members unless it is necessary, and as much as possible we don't make a scene in public. Kaya sa lahat ng mga may kaibigan, may asawa na ibang lahi, and you are being psychologically, emotionally abused by this non-Filipino boyfriends or husbands of yours, think about it. Hindi kulturang Pilipino yan. Siguro kung dumaan yan sa mga maliliit na eskinita or madidilim na eskinita at nakitang ginaganyan ka, alam mo na. Huwag hayaan. Because eventually, the beration, the psychological abuse, the emotional abuse is going to get into you na akala mo tama. Kasi usually they make a point, but that point usually doesn't relate with our culture and our tradition and how we are raised as respectful people, as respectful Filipinos. That's our day 13. That's our day 14. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. I'm Ping.